dig a little bit deeper, an extra toonie or an extra 5, and let's make sure that we hold that number 1 spot. Here, give it up, Maple Ridge. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Mayor. And now if I could invite up to the front Joanne Olson. She's representing the Friends in Need Food Bank Society. And I'm going to bring up first one of our retired Canadian Pacific employees. Check out this outfit. This is David Greenway, dressed up like a Christmas tree, and he is going to present Joanne with a check to Friends in Need in the amount of $3,000. Joanne, would you like to say a few words?
I'd love to say a few words. I'm going to make it really brief because I hear the